In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get gems in Duolingo. Gems are the in-app currency that help you keep learning smoothly, and today we'll focus on simple, legit ways to earn them using what's already built into the app. Start by opening the Duolingo app on your device. Make sure you're on the home screen, the place with your learning path front and center. This is where your next activity is always highlighted, so you don't have to hunt around for what to do next. On the home screen, look for the section that's queued up and tap Continue. That button moves you straight into your next lesson or exercise. It's the most direct path to progress, and regular progress is what triggers a lot of the gem earning opportunities within Duolingo. From there, choose the lesson that's available, tap into it, and complete it. As you work through lessons and wrap them up, Duolingo often grants small gem rewards tied to progress and milestones. Aim to finish the activity cleanly, because steady completion tends to unlock more of these little bonuses over time. If a screen pops up with your results, take a second to review it. Occasionally, you'll see gem totals reflected there, or a prompt about a reward related to what you just accomplished. Next, take a look at the gem icon at the top of the screen. This shows your current balance and opens the shop. Tap it to check special offers that come and go. When Duolingo runs promotions, you'll see them here. If your app shows a spot to enter a promo code, this is where you'd add one. These offers vary by time, device, and region, so don't worry if you don't always see the same options. You can also navigate to the treasure or chest icon at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to another view of the shop where you'll find bundles, seasonal deals, and other limited time opportunities related to gems. Think of it as the storefront for anything gem related. It's worth a quick check whenever you finish a study session. Finally, keep an eye on daily quests. Completing the tasks listed for the day can grant gems as a reward, and they're built around activities you're already doing, like finishing lessons or maintaining your momentum. In some versions of the app, you may also be offered short ads to watch in exchange for a small gem bonus. Availability depends on your region and device, so consider these optional extras when they appear. That's it. Open Duolingo, continue and complete your lessons, check the gem icon for special offers or promo codes, visit the treasure icon, and finish daily quests, watching ads when they're available. Stay consistent, and those gems will add up.